Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ramco Institute of Technology, and I am the faculty in charge for Renewable Energy Laboratory of our institute. And I am here going to explain about the facility that we have in our Renewable Energy Laboratory, which was established on 28/2/2018 on National Science Day. The Central Electricity Authority reports that the per capita energy consumption required for India during the year 2018-19 is 1200 kilowatt hour against 950 kilowatt hour in the year 2016 and 17. This clearly indicates that the energy demand of our country is increasing day by day and year by year. So as a part of meeting out this energy demand, the government, both central as well as state government, is taking lot of steps to meet out this demand. As a part of minor contribution from our institute, we have inaugurated this laboratory, and I'll explain about the laboratory. I welcome you all for Renewable Energy Laboratory. This laboratory is equipped with working models related to various solar applications, which are done as a project by our various batch of students. Now we'll move on to the explanation part. Towards my right, we are having solar stills, and these solar stills are meant for converting brackish water into potable water. As the demand of fresh water is rapidly increasing year by year, we have encouraged our students in working towards this solar still, which is one of the methodology for converting brackish water into potable water. And behind me you can see the various posters or various chart representations, which clearly explains about the abstract experimental procedure, results and discussions of various experimentation. And these are all the various working models that has been fabricated by our students. So this is the conventional solar still, and the students have worked on with various solar stills that is meant for improving the productivity of this solar still. Next to solar still, these are all solar dryers, which is meant for drying various food items to remove the moisture content. And in this solar dryers, our students have experimented various sensible storage heating materials and compare the performance, and the explanations and the performance are explained in this poster. And next, here we can see solar still using heat pipes, and this is funded by TNSCST under the student project scheme during the academic year 2018 to 19. And here you can see the solar collectors, and this is solar disk type collector, which is a point focus one. And towards left, you can see this parabolic truss collector. And here in this working model, our students have experimented by using paraffin wax as a phase change heat storage material and compare the study with a conventional parabolic trough collector, and they have seen a better improvement in efficiency of this parabolic trough collector. And next to this parabolic trough collector, here we can see a solar cooker with an extended surface, which is meant for cooking the food. So here the improvement that is being made by our students is that in a conventional solar cooker, it almost takes around 2 to 3 hours for cooking some food, and when compared with this modified extended solar cooker, the efficiency was comparatively more than 40% than in a conventional solar cooker. And next to this solar cookers is a fish dryer. Actually, it is a hybrid fish dryer, which uses both solar energy as well as electrical energy meant for drying. So the motivation behind doing this project is that a problem statement was coined by IIT Madras to address the problems faced by fishermen in drying the seafoods. So as a part of addressing the problem, our students came up with this idea, which is meant for drying the food. And we are having plans to patent and commercialize this product. Once after commercializing, this helps every individual fisherman to add value to their own products, and in turn it will be helping them to become self-reliable and improves their livelihood economically. From this Renewable Energy Laboratory, in the past 2 years, we have published 6 papers, and we have received a financial grant from TNSCST and a partial financial support from RIT Research Council. Apart from this, we have submitted 7 project proposals to DST, and we have filed 2 patents from this Renewable Energy Laboratory. In future, we are having plans to develop this laboratory as a research cum innovation center of all forms of renewable sources of energy. Thank you.